Hi, good morning mga ka-channel. So, it's my breakfast time here, right now. So, I just want to show to all of you guys my prepared bayan here. It's vegetables with fried fish. It's a yummy. For me, it's a yummy. And then I have my fried fish. So, I am contented with this bayan and a little bit of rice here. So I just wanna say thank you for the subscribers I have. So I do hope that there were more subscribers soon. So let's cooperate. And of course, this time guys, I'm not good. I'm not feeling well because you might observe my nose is clogged. So it's because I have cold. But since I'm very excited to meet you, so that's why I post this short video of mine just to update. And thank you so much. I love you always.